Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Devika here, and today I will do a full reveal video of the DT kit that I've got for this month. So starting off, we've got this 10:4 resin hardener ratio, and we've got the newly launched pearl pigments. I've got pearl white and this very pretty and subtle color lilac. Can't wait to play along with these. And we've got another launch, the grass crystals. So I've got this orangish color, green, purple and white. This is my favorite. You can paint below the surface and then use them on top, or just apply them as it is. I'm sure they will look very nice. So I will be using all these in the forthcoming videos. So see you then. Thank you.